Alrighty. Wait, not yet.
That was great. When it's hunting grounds. Why'd you come back?
I found tracks. And they were huge.
I'm not frightened by a bear.
I don't think it was a bear. I don't know what it was. I've never seen anything like it. It skinned and cut a snake.
Well, what if it was? Or if the cat's dead now? We have to do with it first.
Ugh.